Hi guys, this next tool is a tool that I know that many of us have started to explore within this own course. I know that through this course I started to use the video feature on Canva. Canva is a very engaging tool that you can utilize it as a teacher, or your students can utilize it with themselves. Canva is a purposeful tool in which you can create different medias or documents, just projects within all. You can do posters, you can make presentations, you can make videos, but I wanted to specifically show you ways in which I use Canva as a teacher. I specifically use it to create my own work. For example, this is a game that I have created on my own. It is a writing activity. It's a little game that I've created. I use it in one of my stations. It's just a fall, fun little inspirational story. Students roll the die, and it guides them through writing a story. Now, the fun thing about Canva is that I can custom make my own work, and it's very important for me to always consider my newcoming students. I get a lot of newcomers each year, so Canva allows me to make my own work, to then translate it into Spanish, so that my students can all to meet the needs of all of my students. And so that's a feature that I just enjoy, that I can make my own products within Canva. I use it to create my own activities, my own worksheets. Here's another little example. This is a little template that we use for one of our informative writing pieces. It's just very unique and a way to express your own creativity and make your own work for your own classroom to meet the needs of your own students. I also create lots of flyers. For example, here's one that I send home at the start of the school year so that students and families can meet me and know that who I am. When creating different work, you can use various elements. They're different fonts. You can upload your own images. It's just very engaging and very creative, and it lets you express yourself. As a student, my students also use Canva. Here's an example work that I did to show my students, just expectations, and I was showing them how to, utilize Canva, but they create their own posters. This was an animal research project poster that we created. This is my own work, but my students all do utilize Canva on their own, so therefore it is very user friendly. It's very, very purposeful. You can use it as a teacher. Your students could use it as well. There are lots and lots of medias that you can create. It's free, it is user friendly, and you can use it on any device that you may have.